My name's Steve Cooper. I'm responsible for Accenture's internal analytics platform and what we call our studio. I'm here with our core platform architecture lead, Luis Polanco, and Liz Rivas, who leads our solution architecture. So, guys, we've been, it's about 5 years that we've been in production running at sort of enterprise scale. Large company, 500,000 employees. We give them recommendations. We do sentiment surveys. We do predictions on win rates, a whole variety of different things. But life wasn't always that good, Luis. Tell us about some of the stories and the lessons learned that you're going to be talking about from a core tech arc point of view.
Yeah, for sure. So it's been 5 years working on the architecture of the platform, and our teams, they have a lot of experience and a lot of experience based on facts. So what we want to share is all these facts that we've just learned during these 5 years with the community. I'm talking about production numbers. I think it's always great to hear about production numbers when you attend to a conference, because these numbers, they always helps you to understand what are the problems that they are facing, what I'm gonna get when I go there, and extrapolate all the things you're doing with the things that you're gonna do, right? So I like to do a recap on things like the ingestion architecture that we have implemented around Kafka, all the Kafka throughput and all the numbers that we have around the Kafka cluster, HDFS sizing, all the Spark problems that we've been facing around all these 5 years with the misconfiguration, with wrong numbers and wrong estimates, and when building all this Spark application that we have today in production. I'd like also to share some of the short-term issues that we are facing. For example, all the Java 8 migration that we need to do, or all the things that we would like to move into the cloud, like some of the services that we have in the platform that we want to put on the cloud. So, I mean, many things. We have a lot of experience that we want to share, all of them based on facts, and we want to share all these things with the audience.
Nice. Thanks, Luis. So, Liz, you look after our solution architecture and all of our intake for like a super decentralized group of developers. Tell us about some of the stories you'll be going through at the conference.
Yeah, thanks, Steve. I've been with this team for 3 years, so I came on to roll on our Accenture customers onto the platform, and I would love to share all the lessons learned from this time, right? Really looking at the first one, always start your conversations with use cases when you're talking to your customers. Don't fall into the talking about the architecture trap. Start with those use cases. Second is to have a good foundation. Have those key principles documented. You're going to be challenged with new use cases, complex use cases. So when you're on a shared platform, it's really important to have a good set of key principles. And third, one of the hottest topics around, right, data privacy. Look to do would love to share how we've created a good data privacy process. To really get through all of that. And then probably fourth here, the other big thing that we saw was the lack of the big data skills in the organization, and really addressing that. So would love to come to Strata and share more of those lessons learned and stories with you.
You guys, you've convinced me. I'm going to go buy my ticket now, and see you there next year. All right. Thanks, guys. Talk soon.
Thank you.